Alright, we're back. We just replaced the humidity sensor right back here. Fucking $350, $360 repair from the dealer. I did it for about 60 bucks and 5 minutes of my time. So, I'm gonna go ahead and op check it real quick. Make sure that my troubleshooting was good and that I did a good job, you know. And went ahead and hooked up a thermometer here. Right now everything's turned off, so we'll go ahead and start it back up, and then we'll go ahead and turn the air conditioning on. So there's the LED light, AC's on, it's on low on both sides, and we'll start seeing this thing drop. Pretty sure my wife appreciates me using her kitchen gadgets to troubleshoot my air conditioning, but yeah, that's what love's for. I don't think she knows what I used her creme brulee torch for. So we'll go ahead and let this cool down, and then I'll go ahead and turn it off. I'll leave the vent on, but I'll turn the AC off, and we should see the temperature climb back up since it's bringing outside air in. Now, I do take good care of my air conditioning. It will get down to about 32 degrees at the vent if I have recirc on and, you know, everything going. But just for sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and do, I'll wait till it gets to about 45 degrees, and then I'll go ahead and turn it off. Actually, just for demonstration, I'll go ahead and turn recirc on. Now, the vehicle was sitting for a while, so I don't know, just for time, I don't really want to waste my time or your time, so I'll probably just stop it here. Hopefully you see the temperature climb back up. So those are turned off now. So we're currently sitting at about 50 degrees, and it's going up now. Now, since it's on recirc and bringing in outside air now, it should be close to, it should eventually get up to about where it is ambient outside. So there's your proof. It's fixed. It's good to go. It's troubleshot properly, replaced for $60 in 5 minutes of my time. It is insane that the dealer would, I mean, I know they got to make labor and all that stuff, but this truck's still under warranty for like another 10,000 miles, and I would like to see him back up their shit a little bit better. But regardless, I don't care. I can fix my own shit, and hopefully this video helps other people as well. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to help out or maybe give some advice. Another thing that I'd like to mention, the reason why I wanted this fixed is because the AC, especially here in San Diego, will start condensation, and the condensation will build up, and it might start, you know, getting a little bit of mildew smell. I mean, typical AC units will do that every once in a while. So it's always good to run it on vent when you're not using AC, so it kind of airs out the system and helps keep it dry. But like I said, let me know. I'll post a link for the part that I used, and we did a good job. So, all right, I'm out.